Hey, first thing I'm gonna do is make some rice. So 2 cups, so it's 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. So I'm gonna make some brown rice here. So it's a 2 to 1. I'm gonna do 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. 3, 4. Got my pan here. I'll go on medium heat. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. There's my olive oil. I'm just gonna wait till it gets hot and not smoking, but warm. And I'm gonna put the shrimp in there. These were the shrimp I got. Shell off, tail on. Okay, got the shrimp added. Now all I'm gonna do is cover it, get my spices ready. I'm gonna be adding garlic powder, chili powder, and ground cumin. Do a half a teaspoon of chili powder. There's a quarter. One more. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. It's a quarter. And a half. 1/4 tablespoon of cumin. All right, I'm just gonna saute these. Let them turn pink. Hey, this already smells really good. Hey, while this is finishing cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get the veggies ready. Got the rice going too. It'll be done here shortly. Here's the veggies I'm gonna add. I'm gonna go ahead and chop them up with the chopper too. This, I already cooked it. You can use canned corn too, and you can even use corn that's not cooked, but I just had this left over from last night from corn on the cob. So chop it all up and add it. I'm gonna start with a fresh pan though, once the shrimp's done cooking. Okay, I just took the corn and sliced it off with a knife and put it in the bowl. Jalapenos. I'm just doing the peppers up like that, putting them in the bowl. I'm gonna saute all this. Peppers, chop up these onions now. Ooh, those smell good. Okay, I got my veggies ready. All right, these shrimp are cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off the heat because I'm gonna use this pan to saute my veggies. Look at those babies, they smell good. Get the shrimp all set aside. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some olive oil to the pan now. Okay, once our olive oil is nice and warm, not too hot, I got it on medium heat. Go ahead and add the vegetables. 1 teaspoon of oregano. Another teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin. There's a quarter. And a half. Okay, we go ahead and add the beans now and the rice. Okay, we go ahead and add some rice now. Okay, got the rice on there. I'm adding the diced tomatoes now and the juice too. I'm just stirring this in. I'm gonna add some black pepper too. Just kind of coat it. Go ahead and add in a can of green chilies too. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put in some lime juice. I'm gonna go ahead and put in about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of cilantro. Fresh cilantro obviously is always preferred, but I don't have any right now. Use the dried stuff, just mix it all in. Okay, what I'm doing now is just adding the shrimp back in. I'm cutting the tails off the shrimp and then just adding them all back in. You can always add more water to this too if it starts to dry out or stick to the bottom. All right, now I'm just gonna cook it cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes. All right, there we go. It's done. I just had a little sample, it's good. I'm gonna put a little non-fat Greek yogurt on there instead of sour cream. give it a shot. Mm-hmm. That's excellent. I've never done that in place of sour cream before, but that is wonderful. All right, thanks for watching.